Hello and welcome to Rentio Toor Dal videos. I'm Chef Shivani Mehta and today we are making stuffed Asian Indian spice momos. It's a very simple recipe specially made for Indian palate. Stuffed momos made with marination and finally given a smoky flavor. We will serve it along mint pomegranate dip and cherish the dish. So let's start making.
My heart is yours, I'm giving it to you. No matter what, I always will be true. Next time you're here, I'll never let you go. You're everything I ever need and more. So let's flesh attend to flesh, come alive. The earth is crying sweet.
enjoy this recipe along with your family and let us know how did you like the recipe. Also, don't forget to follow our social media pages of Rentio Toor Dal. Thank you for being with us.
That you want, you are free.